So, hello everyone. After a long time, I am joining you. So, it has been 8 days. We have not conducted any session. I was busy in some personal work. So, now we will start with Kingdom Animalia and first phylum we are dealing today, which is Phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera. So first let's understand the word porifera. Porifera here means pore-bearing animals. Pore-bearing animals. From the word porifera, we mean that they are pore-bearing animals. So the word is clear, and it is the first phylum, and from it you can understand that it is quite primitive, kind of primitive. It is having cellular level of organization. It is asymmetrical 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 and diploblastic, or more eventually, nowadays we do not consider them diploblastic also, because they do not have no germ layer. They are sessile. So you must be worried about this word sessile. Sessile means they are attached attached to the substratum. Means they cannot move. They are not freely moving. They are sessile, attached to the substratum. And furthermore, characteristics about them. That you can see they are primitive and asymmetrical. So no germ layer means acelomate, no body cavity. Acelomates, no body cavity. Acelomates. These are the general characteristics which I have told you. General characteristics like primitive, because there is the first phyla. Cellular level of organization, very important, mark a start with. Asymmetrical, no germ layer, sessile, and acoelomates. So now we will move on to the structure. What kind of structure they are having? So a unique feature of porifera is water transport system. Means, let's see. So see this diagram very carefully. So these are small pores which are called ostia, from where the water enters. These are small pores, and this cavity is called spongiocele. Spongiocele, and this big pore is called osculum. From where the water exits. Means ostia are inhalent pores and osculum is exhalent pore. Water transport system is very unique feature of this phylum, which is Porifera. This was the water transport system. It is used For transportation, you can say excretion, can say now after excretion respiration also, that is exchange of gases. And also fourthly for I can say circulation of water, circulation. So this is the importance of water vascular system. So let's go into detail of it, sort of detail of the water vascular system, and let's discover their body. So like these cells are present. Cells. Here is the mesoglea. Mesoglea is present with some cells. Here, the most important collar cells, schwannocytes, are present. So these are the pinacocytes. This is the mesoglea, and here amoebocytes are present. Amoebocytes. The most common is archaeocyte. Very important here. Please, students, pay attention here. Archaeocytes are the totipotent cell of Porifera. I am writing in short totipotent. Means they can regenerate and form the whole organism eventually. This cell can form the whole Porifera eventually. So what is in your NCRT? It is mentioned about choanocytes. So choanocytes are collar cells which help in digestion. So let's see the structure here. So these are the filters, and here the intracellular digestion takes place in the cavity. Intercellular digestion is the characteristic of Porifera. Digestion is of intercellular type. Digestion is helped by choanocytes or collar cells. So here some spicules or spongin fibers are present. Spicules may be calcareous or siliceous. So this was the structure. Nice to understand the structure. Pinacoderm, then mesoglea, which contains amoebocytes, mostly archaeocytes, which are totipotent cell, collar cell, or the choanocyte, which helps in intracellular digestion. Now let's look at the reproductive system of sponges. So they do not have any kind of such a reproductive system, but I will describe that sexes are not separate. That is, they are hermaphrodite. Many terms here: hermaphrodite, monoecious, bisexual. 3 terms: hermaphrodite, and bisexual. One more term: monoecious. And fertilization is internal. And development is indirect. Indirect development is through larval stage. Indirect. very important. Sexes are not separate, that is hermaphrodite, bisexual, or monoecious. Fertilization is internal, development is indirect. Let us see some of the examples. So, examples: Cycon, Spongilla, Eupelecta, Euspongia. Mostly they are marine, but the Spongilla is freshwater. This is an important question. Mostly they are marine, but Spongilla is freshwater. These are some examples. So this was phylum Porifera, which we discussed, and in the next class we will discuss about Cnidarians, which are slightly higher in organization, and that we will see in the next class. So thank you for watching and keep learning.